So one of the conundrums of these sessions is we have, first of all, a text which you've got to read, and ideas one has to think through. And you also have a bodily experience, which is non-conceptual, and an emotional heart process, which is also non-conceptual. And so it's trying to match the two. Sometimes you can find yourself in a doubt, wondering, is this stage, or is this stage, or am I in this, or am I in jhana, or am I not in jhana? And all this mental activity actually gets in the way of the experience. It's good to have these reference points. But one of the conundrums of these sessions is we have, first of all, a text